Xiaomi confirms new electric scooter 6 Ultra launching globally soon. The Xiaomi electric scooter 6 Ultra has been officially confirmed for an international release in the near future. The previously leaked e-scooter has been spotted on the brand's global website. Plus, product listings at third-party retailers appear to reveal many of the specifications of this range-topping model. Xiaomi has officially confirmed that the electric scooter 6 Ultra is on the way. This model is expected to top the brand's new electric scooter 6 range. The company has already listed other products in the lineup: the electric scooter 6, the electric scooter 6 Lite, the electric scooter 6 Pro, and the electric scooter 6 Max on its global website. Now, a page dedicated to the upcoming Xiaomi launch February 2026 event substantiates earlier rumors around the electric scooter 6 Ultra. The company has yet to officially announce the specifications of the unreleased e-scooter. However, many of these were leaked in early February 2026 via retailers like Qatar-based shop unveiled.com. Compared to the Xiaomi electric scooter 6 Max, the electric scooter 6 Ultra appears to be more powerful, with a 500W rated power, 1200 West peak power motor. It is said to deliver up to 45 Nm torque, with a maximum assistance speed of 25 km per hour, approximately 16 miles per hour. The larger 585Wh battery provides an up to 75 kilometers, approximately 46.6 miles, assistance range. Plus, it should be able to tackle 25% inclines with 12-inch tubeless all-terrain tires. There is suspension at the front and rear with dual disc brakes and EABS. Another feature of the Xiaomi electric scooter 6 Max is a 3-inch TFT screen, which is expected to show information like current speed and remaining battery level. The e-scooter has an IPX6 water resistance rating, meaning it can be used in the rain. It is also worth noting that this carbon steel frame model is relatively heavy, weighing 33.7 kilograms, approximately 74.3 pounds, and measures 138.0 x 60.6 x 134.8 centimeters, 54.3 x 23.9 x 53.1 inches. The Xiaomi electric scooter 6 Ultra is expected to launch globally at the Xiaomi Launch February 2026 event, taking place in Barcelona on February 28, 2026. Reports suggest that it will retail for €799.99.